Hello, welcome. My name is Valeria, if you don't know that. Welcome to this video. Today I'm gonna go hiking with a friend to Hueco Tanks. I live in El Paso, Texas. You probably are seeing that the last time I posted a video was like 8 months ago. I'm not really used to being on camera and speaking to a camera, and I'm whispering because everyone's asleep and I don't want to wake them up. Right now it's about 7 a.m. waiting for my friend Jazz to come and pick me up. This is one of the first times I hang out with anybody in the last 150-ish days. Haven't seen Jazz in February, March, April, May, June, July, August. 7 months, 6 months. I can't count. It's too early. Well, I haven't seen her since February. And yeah, I'm really excited. I've never been to Hueco Tanks. I've heard it's really cool. My shirt is extremely wrinkly. Cool. So yeah, alright. Let's do this. So we just arrived. Jess went inside to get her reservation and actually her permit. So I'm just waiting for her, and just from the looks of it, it's super pretty already. There's been already too many people walking by me, looking at me, recording myself, and well, it is what it is, I guess. And this lighting is not great. Nope. Hi.
Hey.
So this is Hueco Tank State Park and Historic Site. According to the internet machine, you pronounce it Hueco Tanks. Here, you can hike, rock climb, birdwatch, study nature and history, and even stargaze. They do guided and self-guided tours. The guided tours give you access to exclusive parts of the park, which this time we didn't do because it was a friend date and we just wanted to go at our own pace. Currently, you can visit the park by reservation only, as there is a limit to the number of people they're allowing in because of the pandemic. So if you plan on visiting, make sure you check out their website to make sure that the park is open and to make a reservation ahead of time. Hueco Tanks is known for its rich nature, and it has attracted people throughout history because of its plentiful resources. So yeah, we're just chilling right now and really enjoying the fresh breeze. And I don't know, do you have any facts about Hueco Tanks?
Popular destination for all those in the southwest region. It is about 30 minutes away from El Paso. Lots of wildlife. We encountered some goats, rams,
right? I think
so.
I think it was rams. Yeah, we saw like a troop of rams. Okay, so upon further research, they're actually not rams. They are Aoudad or Barbary sheep. They're from the Barbary Coast in North Africa, and they were brought to Texas and New Mexico after World War II. Clearly, neither one of us is a zoologist, y'all.
Yeah.
Jazz was the one that spotted them, and it was crazy because it was a lot of them.
My Aries energy. We channeled
Oh my god,
each
you
other.
did!
Yeah,
Dude, you
man.
summoned them for
Yes.
sure. Yeah,
Yeah.
totally.
We were vibing.
So yeah, we're just gonna chill for a little bit and then we'll keep going and probably chill some more. Yeah.
The vegetation here is classified as Chihuahuan desert scrub. Water gathers in hollows in the rock known as huecos, hence the name. Because there's an abundance of water sources here, Hueco Tanks has a thriving animal community, and its fauna is much more abundant and diverse than that of its surrounding desert flats. This is a good option for those looking to do something fun in El Paso that allows for social distancing, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I needed this outing for my mental health, and for now, it's back to being at home. Please subscribe to my channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and okay, I'll shut up now. Bye!